Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Roku TV. Since Roku TVs do not natively support the Fortnite application, you'll need to use an external device. This method involves mirroring or casting the game from another source directly to your television. It's a straightforward process that opens up your gaming options, allowing you to enjoy the popular Battle Royale game on a larger screen. One effective way to play is by streaming from a PC or laptop. Simply connect your computer to the Roku TV using an HDMI cable. Make sure your computer meets Fortnite's system requirements for smooth performance. Once connected, launch Fortnite on your computer and select your Roku TV as the display output. This provides a direct and reliable gaming experience on your big screen. You can also cast Fortnite from a mobile device. For Android users, download the Fortnite mobile app on a compatible device, then use screen mirroring to display your phone on the Roku. If you have an iOS device, you can utilize AirPlay to mirror your screen to a compatible Roku TV. This offers a convenient, wireless way to enjoy the game. To optimize your Fortnite gaming experience, a stable and fast internet connection is absolutely crucial for smooth gameplay. Consider using a wired connection for your streaming device whenever possible, as this often provides more consistent performance. Additionally, adjust your Roku TV's picture settings to a game mode if available, for optimal visuals and reduced input lag. These steps will significantly enhance your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.